Welcome to another segment of tropical drinks you should know or at least try. My name's David Murray. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing, and on today's show we got a handful of little lovely ingredients. We're going to create ourselves a fairly well-known drink, I believe, known as the Bahama Mama, and I'm going to send this out to the broad one. And if you know, you know. Anyway, I tell you what, we've got everything we need right here. We got our liquor. We got a little bit of fruit juices down there, a little coloring over here. So hey, let's go ahead and get started on our Bahama Mama right now. Hey, let's go ahead and get started on our Bahama Mama. We've got everything we need right here. We've got some 101 proof dark rum, some coconut rum, got a little bit of orange juice, pineapple juice, a little bit of lime right there, fresh lime, and a little bit of grenadine. And we got ice right there, a little ice right here for our finished drink and our Abaco's Bar and Grill glass. And I tell you what, I think we got a little garnish over here on the side. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna drop in, let's see here, about an ounce of coconut rum, just like that. We got ourselves, like I said, a little bit of 101 rum. You could use 151, or if you just want to use plain dark rum, that's fine. Now I tell you what, we're gonna come in here. Yes, we'll come in here. We're gonna add, you know what, I'm gonna be a little precise here. We're gonna add about, I don't know, ounce and a half or so of pineapple and coconut. Listen to me. Orange juice, boom, boom, just like that. Talking about something that's going quick. I'm going to come in here with a little bit of grenadine, probably about right there. That's going to, careful with it because it can get, this is a sweet drink inherently because of the pineapple and orange juice. This adds obviously some good color, but it also can add some sweetness, so be careful with that. So I'd probably use about a half ounce there. Now I'm going to come in right here and about a half ounce. That'll work. Why not? Heck yeah. Away you go. That's about it right there. We're going to come in here and we're going to give this a nice little shake, just like so. Make some noise. Boom. About that. Almost done right there. Got a glass of ice. Come over here and voila. I don't think we need that. Oh man. Boom. Voila. How about that, man? Heck yeah. Now, like I said, we come over here. Got ourselves a little garnish, a little lime and umbrella and cherry. But man, how about that right there? Heck yeah. That's our Bahama Mama. It's delicious. Again, be careful. They are good. You're out in the heat. That can sneak up on you if you have a handful of those. So again, drink responsibly. And speaking of drinking, why don't we go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste? Oh, that is delicious. Oh my goodness, that is unbelievable. Hey, like I said, drink responsibly. We do want y'all to keep coming back. Right down here, check out the pina colada that we use our tropical elixir with, and you can substitute tropical elixir for these two rums right here, and that'd be unbelievable. We call that Abaco's Breeze. Hey, boom, right there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.